Hey guys, it's been a long time since I last done a fire alarm video, so let's make one now. So here is the alarms that I have. About, I think 11 Simplex models, ranging from the old vibrator horns to electromechanical horns and such. So without further ado, hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, so I got some people asking me like, why do I collect fire alarms and where do we get them? Well, I got them on eBay, and I don't know how it sparked. I just saw some YouTube videos and I said, you know what, it looks pretty cool. So I just got a little small collection. And so I did lose my transformer. Don't know where it is. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to find one. And that's it. So hope you enjoy the video. So just keep in mind, don't put your volume too loud because they are pretty loud. Purpose of fire alarms is to get the point across, so they are pretty loud, and some of them carry strobes, so if you have epilepsy, I certainly don't wish you to watch this video. So with that said, hope you enjoy, and we'll do some descriptions, and we'll do the continuous, march time, and code 3 sounds. Alright. Okay, so I guess we'll start with the DC horns, so we'll just pick one at random. Okay, we'll do this one here. 4901-9805. I'm just going to sound the horn, not the strobe. Okay, so I'm going to hook up the horn. Positive with the red and the black with the negative. Then for coding, I'm just going to tap the wires. Perfect. So this is what continuous would sound like. Okay, march time. And code 3. Pretty good. Okay, so this one's not a horn. This is a speaker strobe, 4903-9171. I'm just going to power the strobe only, so show you how bright a strobe can be. Okay, so hook up the battery. Well, terminal, really. I'm going to go this way. This is better. Turn it on, and there we go. Perfect. Okay, I have a true alert right here, 4903-9418, but unfortunately this one is broken, so it won't be sounding that one. So this one here is pretty similar to the one we just did the strobe light. This is a 4903-9401 Smart Sync strobe. What Smart Sync really means is you need a Smart Sync module to make the strobe go on continuous. This one will initially strobe once when you first power it and sound off again when you take off the power. So you'll see that. Okay, it's another 24 volt VDC alarm, so continuous. And march time. And code 3. This one here is a 4903-9422. This is the electronic horn. So, it has a very different horn, as you'll hear. It's more of a screecher. So this again is a Smart Sync like the previous one. So continuous. And I forgot to close it. There we go. Turn on. Continuous. March time. And code 3. Okay, now we're going on to the vibratone horns. This one here is a 2901-9833. Continuous. March time. Code 3. This one here is a 2901-9806, another screechy horn. Okay, continuous. March time. And code 3. Okay, this one here, can you see? Yeah. This is a Simplex 4051, and this coincidentally is my loudest fire alarm. So if you heard those, this one is nothing compared to the loudness of this one. This is about 110 bells at 10 feet, so this is going to be interesting. So, alright, now we're going to do it in continuous. Now, march time. And code 3. Alright, so now we're going to go to the ACs, and those are the last two will sound. Now for the last two fire alarms that I have is a Simplex 4050 and a 4040. I'm powering this on a Variac. It goes up to 130 volts alternating current. So I have it pronged here, so I'm just going to do a little short continuous burst. I'm not going to do it in code 3 because I don't have a control panel. So hopefully you can hear it and enjoy. Sounds like a jail cell, by the way. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And the last one, don't know if you can see, Simplex 4040. So you notice a big difference. It's a round sound plate rather than the 4050, which is a square sound plate. So it'll have slightly different sound. Will go like a gnat sound instead of a burr, like the 4050. Okay, so last one. Hope you're not too hard of hearing. Okay, so again, a little short 4-second burst. 2, 1. So, that's about it. So, hope you enjoyed my kind of odd, rare collection of fire alarms. So, with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.